Protect yourself and your family. Reduce copper, mercury, zinc, cadmium and other hazardous contaminants with our premium BPA-free, all-natural gravity system which has been tested and certified by WQA against NSF/ASNI Standard 42. Delicious clean water, reduces the taste and odor of chlorine so you can enjoy crisp, refreshing, crystal clear water for drinking, cooking, coffee or tea without any unwanted particles that are blocked using our fine mesh filters. Easy to install and use. Soak your commercial cool filter in water for 15 minutes, rinse for 30 seconds, insert filter into pitcher's reservoir, press down to secure, add cold tap water and it's that simple to resolve hard water and other common issues. Compatible with multiple models, our filters work with most standard Brita pitchers including Brita Classic, Atlantis, Bella, Soho, Space Saver, Chrome, Everyday, Grand, Marina, Monterey, Pacifica, Vintage, Wave and Ultramax models. Up to a year's supply. Most households replace their filter every 2 months or 40 gallons, meaning our 6-pack bundle should last you a year and replace 1,816.9 ounces water bottles, saving you a lot of money and helping the environment by reducing plastic use. Why commercial cool replacement water filter? Tested and certified by WQA against NSF/ASNI Standard. Simple to install and use. 6-pack bundle lasts you a year. Utilizes an all-natural gravity system. Fine mesh technology prevents that alarming black fleck. Benefits of our water filters: greatly improve the taste of your water so your family will stay hydrated. Reduce use of plastic water bottles. Save money purchasing water. Reduce copper, mercury, zinc, cadmium. Reduce chlorine odor and taste. Solve hard water problems. Instructions for use: 1. Soak your commercial cool filter in water for 15 minutes. 2. Rinse for 30 seconds. 3. Insert filter in pitcher's reservoir. 4. Press down firmly to secure to the filter. 5. Add cold tap water to the filter's reservoir. 6. Replace your filter every 2 months or 40 gallons. Start enjoying the peace of mind of clean, healthy water with commercial cool filters. Top reviews from the United States. These work great. Prep them before full use. These are filled with a granulated form of charcoal. When first put into the water pitcher, run a pint of water through it. The water will be gray from the dusty charcoal that does rinse out. It is not a bad thing, and the charcoal won't hurt to drink it, but dump it out, and repeat the pint of water in, then dump it process 2 to 3 times, until the filter is fully wetted inside, and all the loose fines have been rinsed out. Easy peasy, and you're good to go. And the taste of the water that has been run through these filters is superb. Of course, it does depend somewhat on what quality of water you put in, because charcoal water filters are not magic. They filter out a decent amount of impurities. My water starts out good, but after running through the filter, and chilled in the refrigerator, it tastes as good as any bottled water I have ever tasted. And it's such a low cost per gallon. What's not to like? I like these. They fit right and function just fine. I'm surprised that people are sometimes alarmed when the first few cups of water through a new filter shows some charcoal powder in the filtered water. No big deal. This is perfectly normal. I have read of people eating charcoal, in capsules, to soak up toxins they have ingested. Again, with the new filter, put a few pints of water through it, and dump it a few times until it is clear, and the rest is as it should be, just what you wanted. Best of refreshing hydration to you.